at a restaurant called Marcello's in Woodbridge. I heard that it's a good Italian restaurant, and we're gonna find out if it is or not. But I haven't really eaten much Italian food in Canada. Okay, there was a plate. It's called the Marcello's Antipasti, and so we already divided it because we were hungry. You have to wait a while because there are so many people here. But you have like mozzarella, I think it's fior di latte, you know, sun-dried tomatoes, zucchini, eggplant, kind of lettuce, black olives, green olives. Okay, that's a vegetale. This is the pizza called campagnola, yeah. Pizza campagnola. And this is the salmon fettuccine. The pasta here is very good. So the pasta here is very good, and the pizza is just okay for me. And it's a lot better in Italy, of course. Okay, so I'm back, and my suitcase has really been seriously damaged by Air Transat to the point where they broke my suitcase. Like, they broke the wheel as well.